Hello guys, hope you are fine and taking good care of your health. Welcome to this video. In this video we are discussing our physics topic, that is elasticity. In previous lectures we saw all short syllabus examples, means numericals of chapter number 7, and now we are discussing elasticity. Define of elasticity is the property of a body to restore its original size and shape as deforming force ceases to act is called elasticity. It means it is a property of body by which it comes to its original size or original position or original shape when we remove the force that is acting on that body. Elasticity have two important factors. Number one is stress. It's defined as the force acting on unit area at the surface of a body is called stress, and stress have a formula that I write here. The formula of stress is equal to force per unit area. You know that we denote force by F and area by A, and you also stress also has a unit because it have a formula, so it also have a unit in which it describe, and you know that we describe its unit we describe its unit by its formula. You know that the unit of force is Newton and unit of A is meter square, so unit of stress is Nm-2. We say Newton per square meter. And second important thing in elasticity is strain. The definition of strain is the comparison of change by stress with the original length, volume or shape is called strain. Strain means when we apply a force on any object, its shape will be changed. Then if we take comparison of that change, when we apply a stress on a body, its shape, size will be changed. If we take comparison of change by the stress with the original length, the volume or shape is called strain. Now we are discussing Hooke's law. Hooke's law statement or defined is the strain produced in a body by the stress applied to it is directly proportional to the stress within the elastic limit of the body. We write it its mathematical form. Its mathematical form is, from define we write its mathematical form. Hooke's law is stress applied on a body is directly proportional to the strain that is produced in a body due to applying stress. You know that when we remove proportionality symbol, we put two things. Number one is equal, second is constant into strain. Okay, now stress is equal to stress. As you know that strain is multiplying with constant, it will be divided on the left side of equal. The stress divided by strain is equal to constant is equal to. So means always the value of stress divided by strain is always equal to constant. It will not be changed. Hooke's law is applicable to all kinds of deformation and all types of matter. For example, solids, liquid or gases within a certain limit. Now read it. And our next topic is Young modulus, that we start after raising it, because that have too much mathematical calculation. That's why I am raising first it, then I solve that question. Solve the mathematical form of Young's modulus. So now after raising it, I will start. Okay, now our next topic is Young's modulus. Is defined as the ratio of stress to tensile strain is called Young's modulus. Okay, now we draw its mathematical form. Right. Means Young's modulus is the ratio of stress and tensile strain. So I write here Young's modulus. Young's modulus is equal to ratio of stress and strain. Okay. Young's modulus is denoted by capital Y, and here I write stress over strain. If I take a rod and I draw here, if I take a rod whose length is L original length, if I apply the force and it will be, and if its length is changed from here to here, and I take that length total length become L, and the change in length is del L. Okay, the change in length is del L. So del L is equal to now the new length, that is L minus L naught. If we subtract L minus L original, mean L naught, we take del L. Okay, while we are doing this step, it will be clear in next steps. Now here you know that the formula of stress is equal to force per unit area. Okay, now I put these values in stress तो हमने find कर लिया. Now we find tensile strain. What is tensile strain? ये हमारे पास the formula of tensile strain is change in length over original length. So here I write the change in length is L minus L naught divided by original length, that is L naught, and change in length is equal to del L over क्या आ जाएगा अपने पास L naught. Okay, now we are putting these values in the Young's modulus. Y is equal to stress over tensile strain. So it means Y over A divided by tensile strain. Tensile strain is equal to del L over L naught. Okay, it is dividing. When we change it in multiply, we take its reciprocal. Y is equal to F over A multiplied by L original over del L. Okay, and this is the mathematical form of Young's modulus, and its unit is Nm minus 2 Newton meter per square. So I hope this topic is clear, and if you have any question about this topic, you can ask me. Allah Hafiz.